Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm going to show you how I make my moisturizing acne face wash. This is gentle and soothing on your skin. It's made with nourishing ingredients like aloe vera, willow bark extract. So this is amazing for acne prone skin. So I'm going to show you step by step how I do this. So let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. And I also have a small business where I sell my products on my website. I'll have that linked in the description box. So let's jump right in. I'm going to be using aloe vera for this recipe. I'm using dried aloe vera powder. I do not recommend using the fresh one because it's not going to last long. So for the aloe vera is very moisturizing on your skin. I'm going to weigh out all my ingredients and the complete recipe will be listed in the description box. So please check that out. And the first thing I'm going to weigh out is my thickener. I'm going to be using xanthan gum. I'm adding in some vegetable glycerin. This is going to hydrate the xanthan gum and it's also going to draw moisture to your skin as well. I'm adding in some apple fruit essence water, but this is completely optional. I just added it for the scent. You can also use other hydrosols like rose, hydrosol, lavender. There are so many other options. And now I'm going to add in my aloe vera powder and I'm going to mix well. You can also use aloe vera juice or aloe vera gel. So you just want to keep mixing until the powder is dissolved. And I used my whisk, and if you notice here, the mixture had already started to thicken up. So that's what you want, but you want to make sure your aloe vera powder is completely dissolved. Now that everything has been mixed, I'm going to weigh out my surfactants. I'm using two surfactants. I'm using cocoa betaine and desylglucoside. There are so many other options out there, so it just depends on what you prefer to use, but these are the two surfactants I'm using for this recipe. And to this I'm going to add in some tea tree oil. The tea tree oil helps to calm red skin, it helps with inflammation, and I'm also going to use some willow bark extract. I actually prefer the liquid willow bark extract, but I use the powder one. It still has amazing benefits for the skin. So I'm going to just mix everything all in. So I'm going to pour in my surfactants blend to my water mix. And I'm just going to mix carefully so I don't activate too much lather. So after mixing, this is what the consistency was looking like. It had thickened up already. So of course you can make changes and substitutions that work better for you. You don't have to use the exact ingredients, so you can always make substitutions. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to check the pH for this face wash. That is very important. I aim for a pH of between 4.5 to 5.5. because that is the pH of your skin and hair. So after checking the pH the first time, the pH was at 6.44. So all I did, I added in some citric acid solution to help lower the pH, and after adding that in, I stirred for a little bit, and then I waited to check the pH, and the second time around the pH was 5.38, and I was happy with that. Other good options for your preservative would be liquid Germol Plus or Optifen. So I'm just adding in my preservative, and I'm going to mix that in until it's well combined. And our acne face wash is pretty much ready. This is what the consistency is looking like. Of course, our final consistency can take up to 24 hours, but so far so good. I'm just going to package this up next, and this made 12 ounces. So this face cleanser is gentle enough to be used every day. It's not harsh on your skin. It actually feels pretty moisturizing and not drying in any way, and it also has pretty good lather as well. So definitely try this one out. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear from you all. And also, please, if you've not subscribed, please go on and hit the subscribe button, and also please turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos I upload. And also please like this video as well, because that really helps me out. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.